Hey students, in this lecture of marketing, we'll discuss about 4 P's and 4 C's of marketing. 4 P's of marketing are also called marketing mix. These 4 P's are product, price, place and promotion. We know that before deciding what to produce, what to market, the marketer decides the target market or target segment of customers. So once it is decided that which target segment of customers would be chosen and for which target segment of customers the product would be offered, the marketers decide on product. So depending on the target segment of customers, the product is decided. If the target segment of customer has high expectations about quality, the product would be different. If it has low expectations about the quality, product would be different. There are many other factors depending on the age of target segment of customers, depending on the gender, depending on their preference, depending on their social norms, uh, depending on many other factors, the product is actually different. And once it is decided that this is the target segment of customers, then the product is designed according to that target segment of customers. So this is first P of marketing mix, which is very important. Then next P is price, which is again uh, very important. This is price, means the price of the product. This price also depends on the target segment of customer, because the expectations of target segment of customer about the price, their paying capacity, their income and so on. And this price also depends on the product, the quality of product, the quantity in that product and so on. So price is also dependent on target segment of customer as well as product. So this is what a customer needs to pay in monetary terms to the marketer to receive a product or service. Next P is place. Place means the places where the product would be available for customers, places from where the product would be sold, the places or the distribution system that would be used for making product available to customer. This place again depends on the target segment of customer, type of product and the price of product. A simple example, if we are producing a product for kids age between 5 to 15, then the place, a good place would be selling the product around the schools, selling the product where these children or kids go for purchase. If we are producing a product for maybe people who are more interested in their health, then we can choose the places like joggers park, gyms and so on. So place is again important, and that depends on target segment of customer, type of product, price. And last is promotion. This is the way how the marketer promotes or communicates with the customer, how the product would be promoted. The message of promotion, the media to be used for promotion, the frequency of displaying certain ads or promotions, and so on. This again depends on the type of product, price, place, and target segment of customer. Again, another example, maybe with the same example, we can go ahead. If we are producing a product for kids, then we can promote it on those channels. Those TV channels, those are viewed by kids like Pogo, Nick and so on. And if it is a product for females, then we can promote it in the magazines used by females. And if it is a product for general public, maybe means general public means a larger customer segment, males, females, kids as well. So we can use those channels or those media which are viewed or used by males, females, kids, all age groups. So depending on customer, depending on place, depending on price and product, we decide the promotion. So against those 4 P's, we have 4 C's of marketing. These are the aspects from the consumer's point of view. So for product, it is consumer. Rather than, now it is said that rather than focusing on product, the marketer must focus on consumer. So rather than focusing on what we are producing, the marketer must focus on what our customer needs, what our consumer wants, and then according to those needs and wants, the product should be designed. Convenience is the second C. It says that the product should be available at those places which are conveniently accessible to the customer or consumer. So this is against place. So product should be made available at a place which is more convenient to the customer. So product should be available at convenience for the customer. So if a customer is finding it convenient that the product should be delivered at home, then it should be delivered at home. If customer finds it convenient product to be purchased from a supermarket, then it should be available there. Next is cost. So in 4 P's we consider price, but in 4 C's we consider cost to consumer. Actually, that is not only price that a consumer has to pay for a product. The cost for consumer is somewhat more than price. Consumer has the cost for searching, time cost. Consumer has to go to shop for purchasing, that cost is involved. Consumer has to go for after sales service, that is also cost. So rather than considering only price, the marketer must consider the cost to consumer and should try to reduce the overall cost of acquisition of a product to the consumer. Rather than just reducing the price, the marketer must consider making product available at a cost which is lower than the maybe competitors, which a consumer can pay, and all the costs should be considered rather than only price. Last is communication. In this concept, it is said that it is not only promotion, or it is not only one way communication from the marketer to the customer. It should be a communication. It should be a two-way communication between marketer and consumer. The marketer should not focus on only promoting the product to the customers. Rather, the marketer should focus on communicating with the customer. It should be a two-way communication. Marketer should focus on getting feedback from customer. Marketer should even ask consumers to co-create the product. Marketer must get consumers needs understood. Marketer must understand what consumers want, and then accordingly the product should be designed. So it should be a communication. It should be a two-way communication rather than just promotion of product. So these 4 P's respective to 4 C's: product, customer needs and wants; price, cost to the customer; place, convenience; and promotion against communication. This is all for this lecture. Thank you.